God is good. So I got a call from a friend that I haven't talked to in a while. It's a girl, and she told me someone left a comment on her page about window cleaning. So she gave me the lady's info. It's an older lady. So I said, well, what could it hurt? She said, yeah, I was thinking about you, and, you know, I don't know what could come up with, I don't want anything from it. I said, you know what, if I get the job, I'm going to bless you anyway. That's how I roll. So I called the lady up, and she said she called Fish, and she wanted to know, who are you? And I explained to her, and I told her, I said, listen, I don't like to talk about no other company's work ethics or how they run their business. I said, I'm a privately owned local guy. That's first thing, all right? I didn't say that like that, but, I said I take pride in my work and I love what I do. This is what separates small business owners to the franchisee owners. I said, the reason why they're so successful, and I explained they had over 400 locations, is because they have systems in place. Those systems is usually not always in the best interest of the customer as far as quality is concerned, right? So they have a certain standard. And I said they hire under the intentions of training them how they want as far as their systems is set up. So they're not really required to have prior experience. For real, not really. So I said, you don't know what you're getting. I said, I'm not saying that every franchisee owner doesn't operate in quality standards, but it definitely varies in quality standards. And you can't really gauge on if that company sends out whoever to do the work, if they actually like their job, because it shows. I said the owners are never required to come out and work, although some of them may do. And I said, I'm usually pretty fair in my pricing, usually below my competition, because I'm not trying to get rich. I'm trying to offer a fair price and get paid for the work that I do. And that right there was enough to pique her interest. So guess what? Not only did she say she has another location, so she says, I have 2 locations. She says, when can you come? They're supposed to come out today. So I said, I'm coming right now. So come along. Let's see how I get down. Guarantee you, once I get there, fish is going to be in the water where they should be, swimming at the bottom of the ocean, fishing for food, looking around, because I'm getting this job. It's mine. Get your paws off, fishy. Get your paws off, fishy.